So today I'm in Poznan. What's up, everybody? With my friends here.
Hello.
Hello. Shy. No, I'm joking. And we are in the one traditional restaurant, kind of traditional. I'm gonna show you some nice food, but the restaurant type today. So we have a soup first. This is here is like a, what is it? Like a mushroom, right? And this one is like a raw soup. This is traditional.
Zajebista grzybowa. Zajebista.
No. So that was like a mushroom soup, but mine is traditional chicken soup, which is very famous, but served in the restaurant type. So this is like a chicken broth with the kluski and some vegetable. So the main dish, right? So of course this is the pizza, which is very only in Poznan very popular, which is like a dough dumplings, something like that. And there with this cream there is the pork chops, very nice one, but not like schabowy, but different way. This is actually not chop, this is different kinda. It's called polędwiczki in Polish language. My friend have stuff like this one. This is beetroot, and that's the like I could say it's like a cordon bleu, but it's not, because it looks like this one. I will zoom it for you. So very traditional food. And my friend have dumplings. Z czym są twoje pierogi?
Z kaczką.
Oh, with ducks. Oh, very nice. But look how the beautiful presentation. So smacznego. So this is the dumpling. That's how does it look like inside. I'm gonna take one to try. And that's the place inside. Very small, very cozy, but very cool, very traditional with the wooden furniture, fireplace, stuff like this one. Cool. And also for the dessert, already at home, we still have it. Rogal świętojański, only popular in Poznań, which is not the croissant, is like a rogal, which means it's different bread and different filling inside. However, it may look like a croissant, but it's not a croissant. You have to come to Poznań and you have to try it. And this is the place outside, basically small place on the side of the forest, of the woods. And the main road, one of the roads, like not main roads, actually not the highways, but like a main roads between the cities, forest, and basically this is it. Very popular. That's the name of the place, just in case if you're interested.
Co bym dał za tę noc z Renatą?
Another singing guy. Singing guy from Poland now. My friend wanna be a singing guy in Poland, guys. Today just 2 minutes or long video because I used to travel all day. I have some important things to do here in next upcoming days. So I'm not sure if tomorrow gonna be video, maybe yes, maybe not. But for today, very quick. Just wanted to show you the food. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow. See ya.